In other major reality show news, tonight on ABC, we had a new episode of The Bachelor. The Bachelor is like the female version of the NFL. Dozens of competitors push their bodies and minds to the limit in the hope of getting a diamond ring. And tonight, Arie had his first two-on-one date with Kendall and Krystal. Krystal's the villain of the season, or at least she was. Arie sent her home tonight, and Krystal will be missed, but I promise you, the weird/annoying sound she makes with her body and mouth, those will never be forgotten.
Krystal.
What's with it?
Oh.
Help me make some.
Part fitness coach, part Wookiee. He's basically the first Bachelor Hatchimal. Nobody seemed to like Krystal, especially the other women in the house. She's very full of herself, very self-involved, very superior to others. And so who better to bid Krystal a fond farewell tonight than Krystal herself?
Bye. All right. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, you guys.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. And off you go to Marion Orthodontics. If you like that video, click the subscribe button, but only if you're ready for commitment.